Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Let's draw together a wardrobe full of clothes. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw a large rectangle with a vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical line, and a horizontal line. Draw the edge of the cabinet with one vertical line, one horizontal line, and another vertical line. Draw the interior spaces of the wardrobe with two vertical lines, two horizontal lines, four vertical lines, and four horizontal lines. Draw a t-shirt with two diagonal lines, one curved line, four diagonal lines, one vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical line, and two diagonal lines. Draw the crotch with a semicircle, a curved line, and two diagonal lines. Draw a heart on the shirt and a curved line for the edge of the collar. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Draw the pants with one horizontal line, one curved line, one diagonal line, a horizontal line, two diagonal lines, one horizontal line, one diagonal line, and a curved line. Draw a horizontal line, a vertical line in the center, one vertical line, a diagonal one, two curved lines, and two horizontal lines. Draw the second crotch with a semicircle, a curved line, a diagonal line, a vertical one, a horizontal line, a vertical one, and another diagonal one. Draw two vertical lines for the strap of the dress. Draw the top of the dress with one diagonal line, two lines in the shape of an inverted U, and one diagonal line. Draw a rectangle for the belt. Draw the skirt with one large curved line, four smaller curved lines for the base, and another large curved line. Draw the border with four curved lines and draw three large curved lines on the inside of the skirt, like I do. Draw the third hanger with a semicircle, a curved line, two diagonal lines, then draw the top of the dress with a curved line, three diagonal lines for the shoulder strap, a V-shaped line, three diagonal lines, and a curved line. Draw an inverted V-shaped lines for the crotch, a horizontal line, another inverted V-shaped line. Draw a circle and a bow with two upside-down hearts. Draw the skirt with a diagonal line, a zigzag line, and another diagonal line. Then draw 5 diagonal lines inside the skirt. Excellent! Now draw the hat with a small circle and 4 inverted U-shaped lines for the flower. A semicircle, a curved line, an inverted U-shaped line, a curved line, another inverted U-shaped line, and a curved line. Draw the sunglasses with a semicircle and a horizontal line for each lens. Then trace the edge of the frame like I do. Draw the first perfume bottle with one diagonal line, one horizontal line, one diagonal line, one diagonal line, a horizontal line, a diagonal line, a horizontal line, two diagonal lines. Then draw the cap like I do. Draw the cap of the second bottle, then the outline with a curved line, a horizontal line, and another curved line. Good job! Now draw a bag with a diagonal line, a horizontal line, a diagonal line, and a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line at the base, an oval for the closure, a curved line, and a hook. Then draw the handle with 2 semicircles. Draw the shoes with a rectangle for the base, a curved line, a semicircle, a curved line, 3 small squares, a line for the edge. Now draw the second shoe. Draw the first boot with a diagonal line, a horizontal line, a diagonal line. Draw the heel, a curved line, a horizontal line, another curved line, a horizontal line, a square, and 2 horizontal lines for the buckle. In the same way, draw the second boot. Wow! Our drawing turned out great! Now let's get the colors! Use orange for the inside of the wardrobe and for the hat flower. Use red for the wardrobe border, the lances, the hatband, the bag heart, the dress bow, the t-shirt heart, and the dress. Use yellow for the heels and buckle of the boots, the closures of the shoes and the bag, the handle, the hat and the center of the flower, the edge of the shirt, the belt and the edge of the dress. Use green for the bag, sneakers and t-shirt. light blue for the waistband and hem of the trousers. Use blue for the boots, sole, and edge of the shoes, for the trousers, for the frame of the glasses frame, for the bottle, and for the cap of the second bottle. Use purple for the dress, the cap, and the other perfume bottle. Excellent! Our wardrobe turned out really well. Now you are ready to wear the dress you like the most. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!